Oh, no.
If I were to the sea, baby, I'd never say for I would fall to the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me. For I've loved and I have died.
Good morning, everybody. We just got to Bishop in take 2. I'm over here with Claudio over there. What's up, man? What up? Check this out. This is so beautiful out here. It's just amazing. Check it out. You can just hear the sounds of nature. So we're just gonna try out right in the front over here, and then if we don't get any action, I'm probably gonna move out towards the water over there. The water's coming out. I think they're all just hanging around over here. Just gonna do a steady bounce. Oh, got hit. Missed it though. Got the first one, guys. It is a small one. Very small. Oh, there he is. Whew. The little one, guys. Just let this guy go. And there he goes. Oh, got one, guys. On a pink character lure. Damn, that thing just bit out of nowhere. Got the first one, guys. It's on the character lure, guys. I just hit right when it came to the shore. Out of nowhere. Greetings, everybody. Greetings from Silver Lake. Claudio's on a fish, guys.
I just got one too. That's a nice one. Nice one. Chunky. Ooh, that's a chunky one. 3 syllables. That's a good one. Redemption. Great job.
That was on what? Power bait?
Yep. Power.
Oh, that's a good one, huh? Yeah, it did look like it. Looks like Josh. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Nice and chunky. Oh no!
Broke me off. Broke the
Dang.
whole rib.
Oh, got another one. Seems like another small one.
Another 10 fry.
This one's going in the oven tonight. Claudio on his first fish, guys.
Ooh, it's not bad. It's more bigger than all the ones that we saw. Oh yeah. Nice. Good job. Keep that on.
This was on the corn power bait.
See you. All right, it's lunchtime at Uncle Jimmy's BBQ.
It's my first time here.
Yeah, I came here one time and I got a chicken sandwich, but I want to get the mammoth ribs this time. You know what you're gonna get?
I think I want to get the brisket.
Let's check out the menu. That is tender. Oh, that's a good choice.
What's up, fishing fam?
I got the mammoth rib. It was about 20 bucks.
I got the brisket with chili and
Potato mac.
potato mac.
I also got the potato mac and chili.
Chili. Wow! Potato mac.
And then
Whoa.
the mammoth rib. That's a lot of meat.
A lot of meat.
Look at this.
All that meat.
Come on. That's crazy.
Bread. Ooh, this is really soft.
I also got like a mustard dip sweet sauce. Check that out.
This is really good. The meat is so soft.
Woo, my mouth is watering. It's crazy.
He basically throws everything on what, the smoker? That's
Yeah.
how he makes it?
And they open at 12. Well, today they opened at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Want to try this one?
Yeah. This is so good.
Wow.
I'm happy with this.
Super soft. And I asked the guy, I was like, "What's your favorite sauce?" And then he said it was the mustard one.
Dip it in that.
There we go.
Are we switching?
I was trying to feed you, but alright.
I didn't want to
Trying
drop
to make it
it.
look all cute and everything.
Okay, you want to switch back?
Nah, go
Okay,
ahead.
cheers, love.
Gonna mix the sauce. I like the chili. If you guys end up going and trying it out, comment below and let us know what you got and what you thought about it.
What sauce you guys decided on? I had trouble picking
But I
the sauce.
recommend this mammoth rib. I've had the chicken sandwich. It was good, but this is way better.
This is a lot of meat too, so
Look at that. Eat it. Dip it in sauce.
smell it. You can smell it from here already.
So good. Try it out. See you guys soon.